Okay, so if you're on this, it means you still did not choose the right answers. So let's go through and talk about it. It says, which algebraic expressions have a value of 14, that means they're equal to 14, when a is 3 and b is a half. So the first thing we're probably going to want to do is get rid of this fraction. And in my calculator, I would do 1 divided by 2, and that's going to give me a decimal of 0.5. So then I'm just going to do my substitution. I'm going to go through each one, and I'm going to substitute 4 minus 2. Think about what's it mean when they're touching. It means times. So I have 2 times 0.5 plus, in place of a, I'm going to put a 3 squared. And then I have to remember to use my PEMDAS. So I'm going to have to, inside the parentheses, I'm going to do my exponent first, which will give me 9. And then I'm going to do my multiplication. That's going to give me 1. So 1 plus 9 will be 10. But now I have on the outside, I have 4 minus 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 which says 10. So 4 minus 10 would be negative 6, which would not be equal to the correct answer. For this one, I can see I'm already running out of room. I'm probably going to have to get a sheet of paper, but I have 7. In place of a, I'm going to put a 3, plus in place of b, I'm going to put that 0.5. What's it mean when they're touching? It means multiply. All over 5. So remember, when you have something with a fraction line, that means you have to do everything on top and then divide it by 5. So I'm going to do my multiplication. 14 times 0.5. Give me 7. So I'm already, like I said, I'm out of room. 7, parenthesis, 3 plus 7 over 5. I'm just kind of carrying it over. 3 plus 7 is 10. 7 times 10 is 70. 70 divided by 5 would be 14. So that one works. Let's try this one. We have 9. 4 times 0.5 plus a. In place of a, I'm going to put a 3 over 5. So 4 times a half will give me 2. So I have 2 plus 3. 9 on the outside plus 5. Still not done with that parenthesis part. So we have 5 times 9 divided by 5. That will give me 45 divided by 5, which will be 9. That is not equal to 14. Instead of going through every one of these, I just want you to make sure that you are carefully following PEMDAS as you go to your next question. I think that's the biggest issue people are having. Turn this into a decimal if there's a fraction, and then follow PEMDAS.